All right, everybody, welcome back. So we are on level 6 of lesson 8, color LEDs. As you can see, this is a practice level, which means that our assessment level is the next one up. So let's make sure that we can practice these skills. So we're going to do all 4 of these activities. Let's get started. All right, so A, change colors with toggle. Okay, so changing colors with the toggle. Create an app that changes the color of the lights when you use the toggle switch. Opening the toggle switch to change the lights to one color, and closing the toggle switch to change the colors to a different color. So do this. Note, you can click the instructions below to expand them and see more specific instructions. So level 1, when the toggle switch is opened, change all the LEDs to a color. All right, and shows us how to do that. So we have our onboard event, and we're going to say toggle. We're going to say open. All right. And then we need to have all of the color LEDs set to a color. All right, so we're going to do that. And we're going to do this for all of the 9 blocks. There we go. So 0 through 9. And I'm going to change this to red. Well, can't see anymore. All right, so when I run it, if I switch the toggle, so the toggle is this tiny, tiny, tiny little button right here. And so if we switch it to on, there we go. We have all red colors. All right. So now I'm going to switch it to blue. And so we're going to put in another onboard event. And the toggle, we're going to switch to close. And so I'm going to come in here. And once again, I'm going to do a little cheating. I'm going to take all these, press Control C, come in here, press Control V. And now when I show the blocks again, we've got all those already brought over. They're already set up to the right numbers. So I'm just going to turn this to blue. All right, there we go. So now I'm going to reset. I'm going to run it again. All right. So if I close the toggle, they're all blue. If I open the toggle, they're all red. There we go. Excellent. All right. So with that, we're done with this level. We're going to click on finish. Actually, we're done with this activity. We still got more to go. So we're going to go to B, individual lights. All right. So this is set up where when I click on each of these lights, I should see a different. Let's see. Let's find out. Individual lights. Create an app where you can toggle each individual light on the circuit playground. Okay, so we're going to turn them on or off. The app has already been started for you, so we have all these beautiful buttons set up. All the buttons are already on the screen, and each button has its own event. You need to add the code to toggle each light on the circuit board. Well, that's easy. So do this. Inside each on event, add code so that the light will toggle on or off when you press the button on the screen. Run the app. You should be able to click a button on the screen and that LED will turn on and off. Beautiful. All right, so click. And I want, ooh, toggle. That's what we want. We want this one. All right, so 0, 1, 2, oh, sorry, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There we go. So let's reset and run it. All right, LED on. Okay. Uh, 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 okay. 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 So I could do this. I could turn them all on. And then I could turn them randomly off. All right, fun times. So we're done with this level or this activity. So let's post finish. Go on to the next one. All right, we're going to make an alarm clock. Oh boy. Alarm clock. Create an app that simulates an alarm clock. When you press the on button on the screen, the circuit playground should start buzzing and turn on all the lights. When you press the off button on the screen, the circuit playground should stop buzzing and turn off all of the lights. The app has already been started for you. Your task is to add the code inside each on event for the circuit playground. All right, so we're going to start up here at the top. When you press the on button, the alarm turns on with lights and sound. If we open up the black triangle, it tells us turn on all the LEDs. This will take 10 lines of code. Use the buzzer to make a noise. All right, so we're going to do on, 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 on. All right, we're just going to keep on rolling. Getting them all on there. All right, there we go. We have, okay, there, perfect. Okay, now we need a buzzer. Okay, so buzzer, that works. Frequency, let's make it a full second. And then we have to do the same thing over here where we have to turn them all off. So here we go. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we want to turn the buzzer off. Okay. So, that all looks good, but let's just double check it. We're going to run it. So on. Okay. And then off. On and off. All right. So that's all done and set up. I mean, you could make the buzzer run until you turn it off. So we could do reset and run. On. And then we'll go on and on and on. And then we'll click off and it's gone away. Yay. We're awake now. We're awake. All right. And with that, we're going to click on finish. I think we got one more activity to go. Yeah, practice. Ooh, I love debugging. Debugging is one of my favorite things. I don't know why. I'm probably insane. That's fine. So debugging, the app is supposed to turn on the left and right LEDs when the user presses a button, but the app isn't working correctly. Let's see what's going on. So run, left, oh, and right. So line error. Oh, you know why? Because there is no 10. And we've talked about that before. So we're going to bring this one up here. We're going to call this one 5. We're going to bring this one up here. We're going to call this one 0. And let's try again. Reset, run, left. Oh, yep, there we go. Those are correct. So now we need to do the same thing over here. We're going to bring this one up. We're going to call this one 5. We're going to bring this one up. We're going to call this one 0. Let's see if that works. So reset, run. So left and right. Left and right. Left and left and right and left. Okay, beautiful. All right, so we're going to finish that. That was easy. And we're done. A, B, C, and D. Excellent. All right, we're going to click on finish. And here we go.